can hold multiple types, and PySpark runs off of 2.6 or higher. It's not been tested with Python 3, so we don't know how that works yet. These are the few key differences from Scala and Python when you're running with PySpark. So you can see right here, this is how you would define log data, errors. You can use lambda functions that's unique to Python, which are basically nameless functions. And then you can do another one right here. You can pass functions to run your program. Other key differences are functions can access objects in enclosing spaces, scopes, I mean. Although modifications to these objects with RDDs will not be propagated back. So you can't like passing this via address like you do in C++. With PySpark, you can automatically ship these functions to workers, which are basically the nodes for Spark, and they can work on the thing without having to be interfered. So with Python, you can use it interactively via shell. You can just type it in, and it'll, since it's interpreted, you don't have to compile it or anything. It automatically runs the code on the fly. And by default, it creates a PySpark content, which is what you need to run PySpark applications. And this tells you how you would run those. Right here, you would define a PySpark content right there, and then app name with the files that you were going to be working with. And this is more code examples in Python.
Want to ask you a question?
Yeah. What kind of programming language is Python? Yeah.
So this is an example, some code examples that I've brought up for. I brought both Python, Java, and Scala. And what I wanted to demonstrate here was with Spark, speed is key. And with Python, there's only 6 executable lines of code. With Scala, there's only 6 executable lines of code. With Java, so you know the processor's using more memory and more space to process the Java, but that's not the key reason why Spark runs faster than Hadoop. So who can tell me what the key reason is?
Spark is written in Scala?
It is written in Scala, but that's not the key reason. That is a good reason, though. That's candy work.
Sparks is in memory,
There you
right?
go, runs in memory.
Well, as opposed to like I guess Hadoop is on the hard drive, and that's what.
So now to go with our code.